A very unusual coin was minted in San Marino. Now I will explain why. The design of this coin repeats the design of the Pan-European Common Commemorative Coin Series, dedicated to the 10th anniversary of the cash euro, which were minted in 2012 by all EU countries. But San Marino is not part of the European Union. This dwarf country is simply part of the Eurozone and mints limited editions of coins. So, in San Marino they used their quota for minting commemorative €2 for a coin with the design of an all-European series, as if San Marino is part of the European Union. This is a curious case that has never been repeated. The coin depicts the globe, in the center of which is the euro sign. Along the circumference of the globe are located windmills, a symbol of energy. Factories are a symbol of industry. Houses and people. The ship is a symbol of trade. The building of the European Central Bank in Frankfurt is a symbol of the economy. At the top is the inscription San Marino, on the right is the sign of the Roman mint, and at the bottom are the dates 2002 to 2012. The circulation of this coin is 130,000 pieces. On eBay, such coins have recently been sold at prices ranging from $28 to $30. Now the cheapest lot costs $28.